Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Heilbrunn Timeline of Art History from the Metropolitan Museum of Art. To begin, I'm going to show you how you can select your region and time period. To select a time period, you can use the drop-down menu here, or you can click on a time period on this bar. For the purposes of this, I'm going to click on 180 to 500 AD. To select your geographic region, you can either use this drop-down menu here, or you can mouse over and it will highlight a section on the map. We are going to choose South America for this tutorial. Now here it does give you a little bit further breakdown by Central and Southern Andes or the Northern Andes. When you click the menu to drop down one of them and expand it, it does give you an idea of where it encompasses today. For the Central and Southern Andes, it does encompass present-day Bolivia, Northwest Argentina, Chile, and Peru. When you click on Read Chronology, is what will show up. You do get an example of art from this time period and these cultures from the Metropolitan Museum of Art's collection. Now, when you click on one of these objects, this is what you're going to see. You are going to get all of the label information. You are going to get related essays, related chronology, and related keywords. You are also going to get a description of the object that is going to give you a text description of the visual object. You can also click See Additional Object Information for more information on that object. Now, if we scroll down here, you are also going to see a timeline that's broken down even further. If we go to the beginning of our timeline at 1 AD, it is going to show us that this has been broken down into highlands and the coastal lowlands, which are further regional divisions within this period and this region. So it's going to show us what culture and the time period they existed from, and if you click on the arrow here to progress through the timeline, you are going to see more about it, a little bit more division. This page is also going to give you an overview of this time period and this region. It is also going to give you key events, which is also in a timeline format but in text rather than a scroll feature. And it's also going to give you a citation that gives you a citation of this page. In addition, on the right side here, it gives you related information. This map is going to give a circle around the region that this page is focused on. It is also going to give you the primary chronology. It is going to give you also secondary chronology that lets you explore this region even further in smaller bits. It is also going to give you this See Also with more essays and works of art from this time period and region. In addition, it is going to give you keywords related to this. You can click on those to search. That has been a quick tutorial on how to use the Heilbrunn Timeline of Art History.